Hi everyone, once again this is MB Kitchenette, where you can find easy, quick, and healthy home-cooked recipes. And today I will share another easy and healthy recipe that fit to your budget. Easy fry yellow rice. What is make interesting for this recipe is because all you need are those left over in your fridge. To those who follow my channel, thank you for having with me again. And for those who are new here, I hope you will learn and enjoy the recipe. Write in the comment what country you are watching my video. To start, we need a bowl of leftover rice. 1 piece of carrot, peel, slice, and cut into cubes. Eating carrots is not just crunchy and tasty, but it also brings health benefits like reduced risk of cancer. Diets rich in carotenoids may help protect against several types of cancer. Lower blood cholesterol. High blood cholesterol is a well-known risk factor for heart disease. Weight loss. As a low-calorie food, carrots can increase fullness and decrease calorie intake in subsequent meals. Take half from a bell pepper. Cut, remove the seeds, and cut into cubes. This recipe is made easy for you to follow. I hope you can able to finish this video. Why should we eat bell pepper? Because red bell peppers are rich in many vitamins and antioxidants, especially vitamin C and various carotenoids. It maintains eye health, reduced risk of several chronic diseases, relieving arthritis, protection against diseases such as cardiovascular disease and some cancers, supporting immune function, facilitating cell repair, aiding in the absorption of folate, and lots more. Subscribe to join our community. We love hearing from you. What are your views? Tell us in the comment. We need 3 pieces of spring onions, cut and chopped. Eating spring onions treats high blood pressure and diabetes. Treatment for cold, cough, and flu, and helps fight cancer. Your feedback helps us grow. Tell us what would you like to see next. Explore our playlist for more healthy recipes. I hope you can still follow the recipe. Have 1 tablespoon of frozen peas, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, chopped or minced. Eating garlic can lower calorie, boosts immune system, lowers blood pressure, lowers cholesterol, reduce dementia risk, extend life. In a heated pan with drops of vegetable oil, sauté the garlic. Continue of stirring until aroma comes out, but don't let it turn into brown. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you to always be updated. Add the peas and continue on stirring for 30 seconds. Then add the carrots, bell pepper, and spring onion and continue cooking for 1 minute. Hit the like button if you are ready for more easy, healthy, home-cooked recipes. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste, 1/2 teaspoon of vegetable flavor, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and continue on stirring. Now add the rice and mix well. Flip it, and while flipping it, put a bit force for pressing, and just continue the process until all ingredients mix well. Yellow rice is common in many Latin American, Caribbean, Middle Eastern, Indian, and Southeast Asian countries, where it is often paired with meat, beans, vegetables, or seafood. Some variations of yellow rice include adding onion, garlic, bay leaves, coriander, cumin, peas, carrots, peppers, jalapenos, or raisins, for extra flavor and texture. Put a bit force for pressing and just continue the process until all ingredients mix well. I hope you enjoy and learn from today's video, and do hope to see for the next video. Subscribe and turn on notification bell for you to be always updated. Hit the like button for more healthy home-cooked recipes. Have a happy, healthy meal.